Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Plants vs Zombies 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your device. And once you complete the few basic tutorial levels and restart your game, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, you can tap on the cloud icon at the bottom left corner and then tap on the register email option. This will then open up the EA Games login page. Now, in order to log into your account, just enter your email address that you have used while signing up. Then tap on the send code button, and now you will just need to check your inbox to get the verification code. Once you enter this code within the given section and proceed forward, you will successfully be logged into your EA account, and all of your previous progress will return back to you, and you can continue playing from your previous progress. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Plants vs Zombies 2. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.